Hello everyone, once again, thank you for tuning into our YouTube channel, Save Green here. And today what we're going to do is go over a way that you can save lots and lots of money on your ink for your printer. And it all depends on what printer you have, but for instance right here we have the Epson Artisan 837, and what I found out maybe about 5 or 6 years ago is that you can buy these kits where you have the ink fed through these lines right into your printer. So I'm going to open it up here and show you what I mean. So with this particular printer, being that it's a high-end printer with regards to inks, it actually has not 4 colors but actually 6. So 6 colors. You have the cyan and the light cyan, and the magenta and the light magenta as well as the yellow and the black. So we were going through printer ink like crazy because we do a lot of printing. But with this, what it does is the ink inside here will last you for many months, years even in some cases, depending on how much printing you do. And it gets fed through this tubing system right into here. I'll show you. So if you follow it right here, you see that it goes right into the series of ink cartridges. And what I did, you see that notch right there? I cut it with a pair of tin snips so I can allow it to rest there so that it doesn't get crimped when I close it. And basically the ink gets fed into the printer. So the key element here, if you're asking would this work on my printer, is as long as your cartridges are in one location and don't move like some of the printers out there, I think HP's cartridges move, then you can't do this, because then this would have to move also. But with this particular printer, you can do it. Now, it might even be worth it for you to go looking into this model and buying a used one even, and you can put this type of ink. It is a great quality printer, and it's an all-in-one, so you can flip this here and make copies by feeding multiple sheets in there. It is a scanner. It does fax too, and I don't know if anyone is faxing these days, but it is a Wi-Fi printer as well. You can see that there. It is a Wi-Fi printer, so it prints wirelessly. And you can find a good used one out there on Amazon, and then just get this right here. And what I'll do is I'll post a link below so you can see where you can get it. If you already have this type of printer, then all you need to do is buy this type of ink fed system. They're called CIS. Let me see if I have the box around here. Here it is, CIS inks. So it's Continuous Ink Supply System. That's why it's called CIS, Continuous Ink Supply System. So I'll post a link down at the bottom so you can get more information on it. And then all you have to do from that point forward is whenever the inks are running dry, just feed them back into those cartridges, being this right here. You just feed them in there. You just pop this, okay, and then just feed them through the top accordingly, and that's it. This will probably cost you right here what it would cost you to buy 2 or 3 of the inks that are inside there. I know it's ridiculous, but again, I will go ahead and post a link down there. Again, thank you for tuning into our channel, Save Green here. We're dedicated to saving you money, and please hit that red subscribe button down below. Subscribe to our channel and look at our other YouTube videos that we have provided to help you save money on just about anything. So thank you for watching. Tune into our channel, Save Green here soon. Thank you.